Good morning, dear students. I am your computer teacher, Mrs. Vivechna Purohit. Children, I am sending you video for chapter number 1, number system. Whatever homework is assigned in that video, you have to do it in your fair computer copy. Thank you, children. Very good morning, dear students. This video is for number system. As the definition is shown here about number system, that is, what is number system? So when we talk about number system, what number system is? So a number system is a way to represent a number. It's a way to represent a number. And nowadays in our early maths, the number system we are using, that number system is called decimal number system. And remember, children, as I explained you, that this decimal number system, which consists of 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9, so the base of this number system becomes 10. Here another important point is that base, B-A-S-E, base is also called radix, R-A-D-I-X, radix. Okay, children? Then, as it is shown in the figure, that this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But in our number system, we only have to consider till digit 9. And so the base for the decimal number system is 10. 0 to 9 digits are used. Now, as what is number system? It is very nicely defined here that a number system is a way to represent numbers using some unique symbols. Okay, this is the definition for number system, what number system is. So a number system is a way to represent numbers using some unique symbols. So these are all unique symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all unique symbols. Okay, children. So this is for decimal number system. When we talk about binary number system, binary number system, it consists of 2 digits. It uses unique symbol to form a number, and its base is 2, 0 and 1. As it is written here, 0 and 1. Now 0 and 1 means how many digits are there? Only 2 digits are there, and so the base for binary number system becomes 2. Base, which is also called radix, as I told you, base or radix. Okay, children. So these are the two number system which we have to work with: decimal number system and binary number system. Okay, children. As it is shown on the screen, conversion from decimal to binary. Children, this part you have to do in your fair computer copy. That is what I am writing here. This heading you have to write in the copy, decimal to binary, and all the conversions that I am giving you, you have to as such do it in the copy. First is number 68. I have explained you in live class that how to convert decimal number to binary number. It is already explained to you. This is your homework and it is being done by me so that you can check it. So first you try it by your own and then check it from the given screen. Number is 68. As it is written here, 10. Base is written 10, and so 68 is a decimal number, and you have to convert it to binary number as it is written here, 2. So 10 is for decimal number and 2 is for binary number. Method is given here, which is already explained to you, and the answer will be from bottom to top, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, children. Second one is 987, which is decimal number, and it has to be converted to binary number. The method is shown here, and as you know very well what is the method to convert decimal to binary. Again, your answer will be from bottom to top. Okay children, so these two you have to do in the copy. Next one is 657. Again the method is shown here, it is given here, and you have to convert this decimal number to binary number. Next conversion is from binary to decimal. So now next heading you will give is binary to decimal. First A part is binary number is given and you have to convert it to decimal number. The binary number is 1011. Method is already been explained to you in your live class. That is, you have to copy down the number, multiply it by 2, and from right hand side you have to give power starting from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. When we simplify it, we get 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, and so the final answer becomes 11. Okay children, so here you have to write it 11 in the bracket. As it is written here, 2, that is binary number, is to be converted into decimal number, that is 10 is written. Okay. B part is 100110. It is binary number and to be converted to decimal. Method will remain same, and for this we are getting answer 38. Third one is 10101, which is binary number and to be converted to decimal number. When we convert it according to the given method, the answer is 21. Here in bracket also you have to write 21. Okay children, all these you have to do in your fair computer copy. This is the last part. Here homework is being given to you. You have to convert these these decimal numbers to binary number, and the method will remain same which is being taught to you. 18, 27, 106, 84 and 51. These all decimal numbers you have to convert to binary. You will be doing this homework in your fair computer copy, as well as the decimal to binary and binary to decimal which I have explained in this video, that also you have to do in your fair computer copy. Thank you children.